Feijoada is a classic and flavorful Brazilian stew that's perfect for a hearty meal. Here's a traditional recipe for feijoada. Ingredients. For the feijoada: 1 pound, 450 grams, dried black beans. 2. 1 pound, 450 grams, assorted pork and beef cuts, such as pork shoulder, bacon, ribs, sausage. 3. 1 onion, chopped. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 5 2 bay leaves. 6 water, as needed. 7 salt and pepper, to taste. For serving: 1 cooked white rice. 2 collard greens, cleaned and sliced thinly. 3 orange slices. Instructions. Rinse the black beans thoroughly and soak them in water overnight or for at least 8 hours. Drain and set aside. In a large pot or Dutch oven, place the soaked beans along with the assorted pork and beef cuts, chopped onion, minced garlic, bay leaves, and enough water to cover the ingredients. Bring the pot to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to low and simmer, partially covered, for about 2 to 3 hours or until the beans and meat are tender. Skim off any foam that rises to the surface during cooking. As the feijoada simmers, check the tenderness of the beans and meats occasionally, adding more water if needed to keep them covered. Once the beans and meats are tender and the stew has thickened, season with salt and pepper to taste. Remove the bay leaves. While the feijoada is cooking, prepare the rice according to package instructions. For the collard greens, heat a little oil in a separate pan. Sauté the thinly sliced collard greens with garlic until they're tender but still vibrant green. Serve the feijoada in bowls alongside the cooked white rice, sautéed collard greens, and orange slices. Traditionally, feijoada is served family-style, with the stew, rice, collard greens, and orange slices arranged on the table so everyone can help themselves to their desired portions. It's a delicious and comforting dish that represents the heart of Brazilian cuisine, perfect for gatherings and celebrations.